go onto the website of KG Holistic Herbs. We will put the website in the video. Thank you so much for this.
Every day's a new adventure, daylight's renewed, embracing those who view the enter, captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
So, hello people, I got 2 packages this morning, one big one, one small one. So I'm going to be unboxing these packages because it's from a friend of ours who lives in West Midlands in England, and she's starting her own business, KG Holistic Herbs, and she's decided to send me a package. So I'm not sure what's in them. She did say what's in them, but I'm not 100% sure exactly what is in the packages. So first of all, that's a bubble wrap package, so I may need a knife. I miss those British stamps, so I may need, no, maybe not. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So this is some kind of mesh bags, and this here is Kelp Powder, Superfood is Kelp Powder, vegan and raw. I'm not sure what that is, but I'm sure I'm gonna have to look it up. And then in this box here, I think I will need a knife, so I'll just get a knife. Back. So, open it nice and carefully because I'm not sure what's in it. So, ooh, a lot of stuff. So, we've got these. That's her brand, that's her label, KG Holistic Herbs, and that is an antiviral blend. You can see there. This one here, I guess these are teas or things that you drink. That's a liver detox. We need some of that. That's a skin cleanse. Yeah, these are all things that are in desperate need of here. And this is sea moss. In Jamaica we have something called Irish moss. I can never say that word. Irish moss. And that's the same. That's just another name for it, sea moss. This is an Overactive Thyroid blend. This bottle here, I'm sure I know what this is. I did ask for some castor oil. So let me try and get that open. It doesn't have a label on, but I'm certain that that is castor oil, Jamaican castor oil. So, yeah. So I'm going to look up these things and see how to blend them things. Thank you, KG Holistic Herbs. I'm really interested in all these cleansing products and liver cleansing, body cleansing. So I'm going to get to work and try some of these. Because we live in Switzerland, she sent them internationally. She sent them in Europe. So now you know that she can send them anywhere in Europe. So anybody out there in France, Italy, Switzerland, go onto the website of KG Holistic Herbs. We will put the website in the video. Thank you so much for this.
Hello people!
And welcome back to another Ian and Tina vlog.
Well, today it was not intended to be a vlog day.
No.
But we got a package that Wild for Life received as a gift, and as she was doing the unboxing, I just thought we might as well
turn it into a vlog
because we're introducing the products from KG Holistic Herbs to our viewers,
yes,
and to our subscribers.
Exactly.
Check out the website. Well, let me just say.
Here we go.
Let me just say. Well, no, might as well I say it. The website is designed by me.
Yeah.
It's new, but it's active and it's
Yes.
live. So check out the website. We'll put the link in the description below.
Exactly.
I had to put that in there because I'm promoting KG Holistic Herbs and at the same time plugging myself as a website designer.
Of course.
It's something that we do. But the boss, the CEO, Kim, she's a dear friend of ours. We go
Definitely,
way
yes.
back, and it's something that we've always done for her. We've always
Yes.
helped her to shine.
What is what we do with each other? She supports our work. and
yes.
We support her and anything
Yeah,
that
because
she's
she
into.
flew all the way from the UK.
Yes, she did.
To come to my book launch here in Switzerland.
Yeah.
So we truly appreciate that. So we help each other. You know,
Exactly,
that's what go-getters do. You know,
Exactly.
not a lot to put in this vlog other than the
No.
fact that let's show you guys outside. We were outside. We just got home, to be honest.
Yeah.
So let me show you what we're working with. This is pretty much what today looks like.
Very foggy, misty, dull,
Misty, dull.
cold.
But you know us,
Yes.
even when it's cold and dull, we
Opportunity for a photo shoot.
yeah, we still found a way to make the best out of it.
Yeah, I
you
had
know?
to go to a cake shop because I've got another order for another cake to do.
Right.
And yeah, so we'll for those of you who don't know Sebas Food's channel,
We'll put
a little picture.
Yeah, the link.
Yeah.
Put the link down. You
Put the
know,
link down,
because
yeah.
wife alike. We want you to like the channel. But Wife Alive does her baking and she posts them there. It's her channel. She cooks there, but every now and then I dabble there, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna show you a quick journey to the cake shop, and then we're gonna show you guys the pictures that we took. Might as
Exactly.
well make the best out of it. So
Yes.
check it out now. And that was pretty much it, people.
Yes.
So, like we said, it was a small little...
Very short video, but yeah.
And
we had to put it in there.
I'm going to use the unboxing of this video and also put it on the website, you know, in the testimonial area.
Yes,
yeah, so just a little part of it. So if you guys visit the website in the future and see parts of it, you got a heads up first.
Exactly.
All right? So without any further ado, people.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.